Okay, have a look at tree diagram by using an example 6.6p. This one is the public exam question, 1995 question number 11. Let's have a look. Now, if Wyoming studies in the evening for a test the next day, the probabilities of him passing the test is 4 for 5. Okay, if he does not study in the evening for the test, he will certainly fail. Okay, not study, then certainly fail. So here, have a look. Part A, you may use figure 1, that means here, to help you understand or answer this part. A1, if Wyoming studies in the evening for a test the next day, find the probability P that he will fail the test. That means this one. Okay. A2, if Wyoming does not study in the evening for a test the next day, find the probability of Q. That means here. And that he will pass the test, and also the probability of R. He'll fail the test. Just now, in the first paragraph, told you already. Okay, let's have a look. A1, what is the probability? P. P is probability, okay, study out and fail. Here it told you pass the test if he studies. So this one equals to 1 minus 4 over 5. So this one equals to 1 over 5, right? Then how about A2? Told you already, does not study, certainly fail. Okay, so not study, all right, like this, does not studies, then fail. This one equals to 1. Okay, certainly fail. That means he must fail. So Q equals to 0 and R equals to 1. That means here is 0 and here is 1, and this one is 1 over 5. Okay, goes on to have a look at the question. You may use figure 1 and figure 2 now to help you answer this part. Okay, have a look. There are 4 teams competing for the World Women's Volleyball Championship, with 2 games in the semifinals. Semifinals here, one is China against USA and Japan against Cuba. The winner of each game will be competing in the final for the championship. The 4 teams have an equal chance of beating their opponents. Part 1. Find the probability that China will win the championship. Okay, here let's have a look. B1. China will win the championship. That means we'll have 2 competitions, right? Have an equal chance for the first game, China against USA. The next one against the another winning country. Okay, so 1 over 2 also. That means 1 over 4, right? B2. have a look at the situation. The final of the WWVC will be shown on TV on Sunday evening. Uh-oh. And Wyoming has a test the next day. Okay. Just like you, right? Sometimes you have the TV show or other things you need to do. Wyoming will definitely watch TV game if China gets to the finals, and the probability of him study afterwards for the test is 1/3. If China fails to get to the final, he will not watch that program at all and will study for the test. That means China gets to the final, will study afterward is 1/3. Okay, and Wyoming will definitely watch. So China gets to final, he must watch. Okay, if China fails to get, then will not watch and will study for the test. Okay, let's have a look. The question B1. Find the probability that Wyoming will study for the test. Okay, and the question 2, probability that Wyoming will pass the test. Okay, one is study, one is pass. So let's see. B21. Wyoming will study. It depends on China can get to the final or not. So if can get to the final, then Wyoming will study is 1/3 here. Okay, if China fail, he must study. So this one is the probability. Okay, maybe I write like this. This one is the probability China win the first one and then study, plus China lose and then will study. Actually, this 2 comes from this. So 1/6 and 1/2 is the result 2/3. Okay? 2. Wyoming will pass the test. How to get pass? That means Wyoming will study and pass. And also Wyoming will not study and pass. Okay, so here Wyoming will study is 2/3. Just now we calculate. So this one, and will pass is 4/5. Remember. However, he will not study is this one. But if he does not study, then must fail. Certainly fail. Remember. So at the end, this is the answer. Okay. Try to do more exercise in this section 6.6. Okay. Hope you can understand clearly about the dependent events and conditional probabilities.